What's up guys, this is Cam with JM Precision Golf Carts and today's your Tech Tip Tuesday. All right, so a few of the do's and don'ts for maintenance on these batteries. We'll go over the do's first. The do's is keeping these guys filled up with distilled water. Each cell is gonna have a set of plates in there that you wanna keep the cells filled up with distilled water. Now, how often you drive the cart is really how often you're gonna check it. If you're gonna be driving this cart once a day, then check it once a month. If you're gonna be driving it once a month, check it every 1 to 3 months. Whenever they charge, those cells, they boil. And when that water gets onto these battery posts, that's what causes your corrosion. So stuff like this corrosion spray keeps those guys thick and covered to prevent corrosion. Okay. A big no-no with these guys is letting these cells run dry. When these cells run dry, you're gonna be killing the lifespan of your batteries because if we're not able to mix the lead plates with the boiling water, then your batteries are gonna lose their properties and not be able to electrify water. And another big thing is keeping these batteries charged, because if you don't keep them charged, a golf cart charger isn't designed to turn on under a certain threshold. So if you let a few of your batteries go lower in voltage than the others, then your charger's not gonna kick on and you're gonna have to charge them manually and it's a whole big mess. All right guys, thanks for checking out our Tech Tip Tuesday. Send us a message or drop a comment down below on what you'd like to see for our next Tech Tip Tuesday. Thanks.